Today, I'm sharing something I've been using for the past few weeks. It's called Brez, and it's not your usual drink. It's a sparkling cannabis and mushroom tonic. Yeah, sounds wild, right? But here's the cool part. Brez helps you feel good without getting drunk or super high. It's non-alcoholic, made with hemp-derived THC, CBD, and lion's mane mushroom. That combo might sound a little fancy, but trust me, it's way more chill than it sounds. I started drinking Brez because I wanted to cut back on alcohol. And let me tell you, it actually works. You get that relaxing, feel-good vibe without the next day hangover. How does Brez work? So, how does this tiny can make you feel so chill? Each OG micro can has 2.5 milligrams of THC, 5 milligrams of CBD, 25 milligrams lion's mane extract. The effect kicks in fast, like within 5 minutes for me. First, you feel a little lift in your mood. Then, a calm washes over you. It's gentle, but definitely noticeable. What I love most. You stay clear-headed. I felt focused, relaxed, and just overall better. No weird high. No crash. Just a clean, smooth experience. And if one can isn't enough, you can stack it. I tried 2 cans once on a weekend, still no anxiety or couch lock. Features and benefits of Brez. Here are the things I really like about Brez. Microdosed THC, just enough to feel good, not get too high. CBD and AMP, lion's mane, helps you relax and stay focused. Fast acting, felt it kick in within 5 to 10 minutes. Non-alcoholic, great for social events without the hangover. Natural ingredients, lemon, elderflower, agave, it actually tastes good. Different strengths, you can choose 2.5 milligrams, 5 milligrams, or 10 milligrams depending on what you want. No anxiety or paranoia, I was honestly surprised. Even as someone sensitive to THC, I felt fine. And can we talk about the taste for a second? It's light, citrusy, and refreshing. Almost like a fancy soda. I add ice and a slice of lemon, and boom, it feels like I'm sipping a cocktail, but healthier. How to use Brez. Using Brez is super easy. Chill the can, trust me, it tastes better cold. Open and sip slowly. After about 5 sips, I usually start feeling lighter and happier. Wait 10 minutes, the effects are quick but give it time to kick in. Decide if you want more, some days, 1 can is perfect. Other days, I might enjoy a second. Pro tip, I love sipping mine after work or while reading a book. It helps me unwind without feeling lazy. Also, I gave 1 to my mom. She tried it with dinner and said it made her feel peaceful, her words, not mine. Brez pros and cons. Let's keep it real, no product is perfect. Here's what I've noticed. Pros. Fast and clean effects. No hangover or brain fog. Helps with sleep, anxiety, and mood. Great taste, like a sparkling lemon elderflower drink. Legal in the US, yes, even the THC part. Subscription option saves money. Cons. Effects can vary from person to person. If you're new to THC, even 2.5 milligrams might feel strong at first. Not super cheap, $40 for a 6-pack. Only ships within the continental US. But honestly, I think the pros outweigh the cons. Especially if you're looking for a healthy alcohol alternative. Price and AMP, where to buy Brez. Let's talk cost. You can buy Brez directly from their website. A 6-pack of the OG Micro, 2.5 milligrams, costs around $40. But if you subscribe, you get 20% off, so it drops to $32 per month. That's $8 savings, and you can cancel or pause anytime. They also sell packs of 12, 18, 24, and even 48 cans if you want to stock up. And yes, it's 100% legal in the US, as long as you're over 21. Conclusion. So, final thoughts? Brez honestly surprised me. I didn't expect a tiny can with hemp and mushrooms to actually make a difference in my day. But it does. If you're someone who wants to relax, stay clear-headed, and avoid alcohol, I totally recommend trying Brez. Whether you use it to unwind after work, chill out on weekends, or even hang out with friends, Brez fits in. Would I buy it again? Absolutely. In fact, I've already subscribed to get it delivered monthly. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Brez, or if you're planning to. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews like this. See you in the next one.